So we won't pay any taxes at death either.
In today's rapidly changing financial landscape, few voices resonate as profoundly as that of Robert Kiyosaki, the visionary behind Rich Dad, Poor Dad. As economies waver and currencies tremble, Kiyosaki's predictions have become a beacon for many seeking clarity. We will delve deep into his insights, unraveling the reasons he believes a monumental crash looms on the horizon. Keep watching until the end of the video to see why Kiyosaki thinks this crash will change a generation. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.
Gold. This is gold, and then this is silver here.
The United States, once an unchallenged global titan, now faces uncertain times. Robert Kiyosaki, with his sharp financial insights, observes a waning American influence. He starkly states, "The American empire is coming to an end." Such a declaration has stirred debates in financial circles globally. Kiyosaki attributes this decline to the over-reliance on the US dollar, unchecked fiscal measures, and a soaring national debt. As emerging economies gain prominence, they challenge the long-standing dominance of the dollar. This isn't merely about economic shifts, it's a potential end to an era of American supremacy. As Kiyosaki warns, the landscape is changing, and the once mighty American empire might be on a trajectory of decline, reshaping the global order.
Nothing personal, but I don't want to be a union member.
The BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, represent emerging powerhouses that are steadily gaining economic traction on the global stage. Their upcoming summit on August 22nd has become a focal point of Kiyosaki's concerns. He warns, August 22nd is the BRICS summit, and they want to go to a gold-backed cryptocurrency, so the US dollar's under assault. Such a move could directly challenge the US dollar's dominance in international trade. If realized, this new currency could offer a more stable and tangible alternative to the fluctuating fiat currencies, especially the dollar. Kiyosaki's message is urgent and clear. The very fabric of global finance might be on the cusp of a transformative shift, with profound implications for the American economy.
They can't control the cash flowing out.
Throughout history, the rise and fall of great empires have often been intertwined with their economic decisions and monetary policies. Robert Kiyosaki, with his keen understanding of financial patterns, draws enlightening parallels between the current state of the American empire and the declines of past civilizations. He observes, "This is a very interesting time in history. We are entering into the Dark Ages because that's what happened when the Greek Empire fell, the Roman Empire fell, the Chinese Empire fell. Each of these empires in their zenith was a beacon of power, culture, and innovation. Yet, their declines were precipitated by economic mismanagement, overextension, and often an over-reliance on a singular form of currency or trade. For instance, the Roman Empire, despite its vast territories and military might, faced economic challenges due to overexpansion, heavy taxation, and debasement of their currency. Similarly, the Chinese dynasties experienced periods of boom and bust, often influenced by their monetary policies, trade imbalances, and internal strife. Kiyosaki suggests that America, with its unchecked printing of money and mounting national debt, might be treading a similar path. The lessons of history are not just tales of bygone eras, but warnings for the present. The echoes of the past serve as a reminder that even the mightiest can falter if they ignore the signs. In drawing these historical parallels, Kiyosaki underscores a vital message. To understand our future, we must first grasp the lessons of the past. In the face of economic uncertainty, traditional financial havens are being reevaluated. Kiyosaki emphasizes a noticeable trend, a growing inclination towards alternative assets like Bitcoin, gold, and silver. He states, "People are getting more favorable towards Bitcoin, gold, and silver. As faith in conventional currencies wanes, these assets offer a semblance of stability and security." Kiyosaki, in particular, champions Bitcoin, which he poignantly refers to as the people's dollar. It's not just about diversifying portfolios, it's a fundamental shift in understanding value in a digital age. As the US dollar faces challenges, Kiyosaki's advice resonates with many, seeking refuge in assets that governments can't easily manipulate or print. The financial landscape is evolving, and alternative assets are at its forefront. Kiyosaki's foresight extends beyond mere observations. He paints a vivid picture of the potential future. He warns, trillions of US dollar will rush home and bring inflation to the roof. Such a massive influx of currency could destabilize the American economy, leading to unprecedented inflation rates. The ripple effects would be felt globally, as markets interconnected with the US dollar grapple with the fallout. Moreover, the BRICS nations' potential introduction of a gold-backed trading currency could further diminish the dollar's global standing. These aren't just economic shifts, they're tectonic movements that could redefine global trade and finance. As Kiyosaki's predictions unfold, the implications for businesses, investors, and everyday citizens are profound, signaling the need for adaptability in these turbulent times. As storm clouds gather on the economic horizon, the wisdom of Robert Kiyosaki offers a guiding light for those seeking to navigate the impending tempest. The potential crash, as Kiyosaki predicts, isn't just a fleeting event. It's a transformative moment that could reshape the very fabric of global finance. So how does one prepare for such a monumental shift? First and foremost, Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of diversification. In an era where traditional financial systems are showing signs of vulnerability, it's prudent to spread one's investments across a range of assets. He notes, people are getting more favorable towards the flagship decentralized finance, DeFi asset. Cryptocurrencies, particularly those in the DeFi space, offer a new frontier of financial opportunities, unburdened by the constraints of traditional banking systems. Furthermore, tangible assets like gold and silver have historically been safe havens during economic downturns. Their intrinsic value, unaffected by the whims of government policies or the volatility of fiat currencies, makes them a reliable hedge against inflation and financial instability. Kiyosaki has long championed the merits of these precious metals, urging investors to consider them as a cornerstone of a well-balanced portfolio. Education, too, is a vital tool in this preparation. In a world awash with information, discerning fact from fiction becomes paramount. Kiyosaki's teachings underscore the need to be constantly learning, to be questioning prevailing narratives, and to be seeking out trusted sources of financial wisdom. It's not merely about reacting to the present, but anticipating the future. Lastly, Kiyosaki advises a proactive approach. Waiting for the storm to hit and then scrambling for cover is a recipe for disaster. Instead, he advocates for forward-thinking strategies, regular financial health checkups, and a keen awareness of global economic trends. In these transformative times, staying ahead requires vigilance and insight. Kiyosaki's wisdom offers a roadmap to navigate the financial maze. To continue receiving invaluable insights and expert perspectives, ensure you're not left behind. That's the end of today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more content. Thanks.
It doesn't make you healthier to starve yourself.